Hello YouTube, how's it going? It is Noey once again, and I have a brand new video today. This time I am in the car with Danny. Remember last time we made that one video with the, what was it? The vegan food. The vegan food video, yeah, I remember that. So today we're gonna try something new again. We're gonna be trying some...
Japanese candy.
Dude, yes, that was horrible. You took way too long. Yes, we're gonna be trying some Japanese candy. We're Mexican, so we're so used to our candy being spicy. So they told me Japanese candy was very good, one of our friends, and we're gonna, drive down to the store and see what we can find. All right, let's What kind of candy do you want? Pick your candy. Do you want that one? Or do you want other candy? You want a drink? Oh, I know what I want. That lychee drink. I just got home and these are some of the candy that we got. We were able to get this kind of, we don't know what it is. We can't even tell what it is. It has a nutritional facts in the back, which is a sticker because I guess it was imported. I guess it's supposed to be a berry sour candy, but we're kind of excited to try it. So we're gonna give this one a try. We also were able to get some of the green Kit Kat, which is made out of green tea. This one, they said this one was very, very popular. Some chips, some hot and spicy. I wonder how hot or spicy they are. We also got some drinks. We got this lychee sangria. It's kind of like a carbonated lychee drink. We also got this green drink, which we didn't know what it was when we got it, but it turns out that it's made out of melon. And it can't be Japanese without something weird. So we got this, it's like this toilet candy right here. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to try is actually going to be the drinks. We're going to try the carbonated drinks. I'm going to try the lychee drink, while Danny will try the melon drink. And, how do you open this?
I have no idea.
There's instructions. Oh, the instructions are in English.
Oh, they are? Oh, yeah.
Remove the plastic. Okay. It's simple, dude. And whoa, and do I drink it from? Oh, that's very dumb thing to say. Oh. So we can't seem to figure out how to open this, and after finally, reading the instructions, because they are in English, like I mentioned earlier, we were able to, and all you have to do is kind of, it has a hole in there, but nothing comes out. So you push this, use your palm, and you kind of, are you sure that's how you open it, dude? Dude, this is hurting me. Are you sure? Well, that's one way to get people to stop drinking so much, sweet drinks. Alright, so we're finally figuring out how to open this. So it turns out that there was something inside here. You gotta take that thing out and then you push it in. And mine actually fell inside. It's like a little ball. I don't know if it's supposed to stay in there or not. I'm guessing I don't know. First time trying this. So now Daniel wants to open his now. And let's see how that works.
Okay, so I gotta take like this little thing out of this thing, and then you grab this little thing, put it at the top of the container, and then you just... I can't.
Okay, let me try it.
Hold on, I got this.
Let me try it.
Oh, there we go! Smoke comes out.
Let's cheers. Ready, and...
That's really good.
That's really good. It's really good. It's my first time trying this. Oh my gosh. If you're Japanese, why have you been hiding this from us? This is amazing. Dude, I'm gonna stop at the store and get some more. I need to buy me more of this. Next, we're actually gonna be trying the chips, the ones that Iker picked. They're hot and spicy. We're Mexican, so we eat a lot of, spicy food. So we're gonna see how spicy Especially chips.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see how spicy this is compared to our traditional candy. And let's see. Oh my gosh, dude, everything's so hard to open. No, alright, really bad opening that I did. But let's try it out.
There we go. One.
Not spicy at all. But
Alright.
try it. Try it. Try it. They're not spicy at all. But
Pretty good.
they're pretty good. I like the chips that we have here better.
Yeah.
Not the sodas.
Yeah,
I prefer this.
These sodas are
But for the chips, yeah, they're good. It's just that they're not what I was expecting. But hey, they're actually quite good.
This is closer to barbecue chips.
Yes, it's a lot.
That's what they are.
It's very similar to barbecue chips. These are the chips. So if you ever go to the store and you can't find barbecue chips, you can buy these chips.
Yep.
Very similar. Even Eager like them. Next, we have our Kit Kat. So it's supposed to be made out of green tea. Was it green tea?
Yep. there we
So
go. Okay.
it's green.
This
a
is
green Kit
interesting.
Kat. So
Oh my god.
it is very interesting. Dude, you broke yours. All right. So
Okay.
let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3.
They're interesting. I mean,
Interesting flavor. I'll prefer the regular Kit Kats, just saying. But
so they have like a hint of chocolate, like any other Kit Kat would, but they also have like a tea flavor, which I mean, I guess that's the whole point of it. But
yeah, I like it. Not bad, but I'll prefer the regular one. And it seems like Iker liked it too. Oh,
Oh,
he liked it so much he's getting more. All right, so the next candy that we have is I don't know the name of it. This is the candy. It's supposed to be a bit sour. That's what they said to me when I picked it up. So we're obviously we're actually gonna be giving it a try. Look at this.
okay, this is a strange shape,
It's a strange shape. It's not a circle. It's a half a circle.
and they have like something inside of them. I'll show
Interesting.
you.
Oh, you actually did. Is it hard candy or chewy
It's
candy?
hard candy.
Let me try it. Is it sour?
I can't tell you.
It tastes like regular candy to me. I don't see
Alright,
anything.
so the outside's candy, and like the little middle piece was sour-ish, but
all right, so this one is kind of sweet, and it has a little bit of bitterness at the end, but I don't necessarily say that it's sour. It's not bad. It tastes like any other regular hard candy, though. I'm not gonna lie. There's nothing really.
the outside's like a sweeter, harder area.
And here we go with the last candy that we have is this toilet candy. We don't know what it is. We can't read the instructions. They're in Japanese and we don't speak Japanese. So we're gonna try to figure it out. So
Okay, so
you there's a pink.
oh, so you have two flavors and a straw.
Oh, so you gotta drink it.
I think so.
I mean, if it comes with a straw.
So according to
All right, so we gotta build a toilet. Let me see.
okay, so according to the instructions, this is part 4, and
So
oh, okay. So can you see it?
nope, I got it. I don't need instructions, buddy. See, there's a full toilet. So
This goes here.
oh, so
Okay.
we form a toilet.
No instructions needed. Okay. Well, I mean,
And
still
what
need
else?
to figure this out. All right. So
Where does the candy go?
okay, so the powdery stuff. Which flavor would you like, sir? I think blue. Just
I think blue just because I can't. Let's call it raspberry. Who knows what it is? Let's try
I have no
raspberry.
idea what it is.
Dude, I cannot open anything from Japan.
So the powder, according to this, goes.
On top. No, what goes on top?
Wait. Did it anyways?
Do we put water?
Yeah, we do put water. I mean, there's so much stuff. No.
Whoa, it's overflowing. Oh,
We're
it's overflowing.
supposed to put- it was-
Oh, that's fine, dude. No one ever follows
Well,
instructions.
we have a second one in case we.
No one ever follows instructions. So it overflowed a little bit. Where's the straw, sir?
Oh.
Don't touch it with your finger. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna drink it. So then we mix it. Oh. Oh. It's sour.
That might have to do with the fact that you just put carbonated juice into it.
You want to try it? Yeah. Yeah, you can switch. Oh my gosh, that is sour. Come on. Drink out of the toilet. Dude, what are you doing? This is a very strange candy, just saying. I mean, if you ever see a kid on the street, just that looks very weird to me. But it looks just like a toilet too. Well guys, thank you guys so much for watching. That was our video on trying different types of food, well, candy this time. If you liked the video, make sure you subscribe for more videos. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll watch you guys next time. Later. Cheers, mate. Dude, how do you drink it like that?
How?
Why are you trying to chug it? It's just a drink, dude. Dude, it's not even coming out. Do you not know how to drink this?
I don't.
You don't know? Oh, what is it?